Listen here, my folks, and you shall hear the most interesting thing that's happening in 2025. The auto shop force is rip roaring and ready to help you become a better leader of your business, a better manager of your business, an owner that in the auto repair shop, it doesn't own you. You own the business. Are you ready to test drive this rascal called the auto shop? Feast your eyes on this screen, folks. Yes, Auto Shop Force is now up and running. I want to tell you a little bit about it. It's a group of people that I know with a shadow of a doubt can help you become better at what you do. Make yourself into the leader, the manager, and the owner you've always wanted to be. Some of the members of our Auto Shop Force: Tim Schaefer, Brian Gillis, Wow, Gary Gunn, Brian Kelly, Derek Price, Cody Woodworth, Tad Kennedy. We have a couple of products here called Auto Shop Assessments, SOP Starter Kits, Auto Shop Tips, Turnaround Point book that I wrote back in 2014, the Go for No concept by Andrea Waltz, Upswell, Mudlick Mail, Doug Wick, John C. Maxwell, Monty Morin, E-Myth Mastery, Richard Flint, the Lotus Code. Put this in your memory bank, folks. Auto Shop Force, Auto Shop Force, Auto Shop Force. Think about it. Auto Shop Force, Auto Shop. Well, I bet you know there's an Auto Shop Force coming in 2025. It's here, ready to go, ready to help you become the leader, the manager, the business owner you've always wanted to be of your auto repair shop, where it does not own you. You own it. Want to know more? Want to know how? There's a 5-step showcase mentoring. There's one-on-ones. There's SOPs. There's how-to manuals. There's reality. There's discovery. There's leveraging. We know the game, folks. Call me, 270-282-1262, and I'll be happy to tell you a little bit about, yes, Auto Shop Force. Hope to hear from you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.